Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kia Forte tail light out issue and potential causes. A malfunctioning tail light can be caused by a blown bulb, which is the most common reason. Fuses related to the lighting circuit could also be the culprit. Wiring issues such as frayed connections or corrosion may affect proper operation. Some models have been reported to experience socket corrosion over time, which can interrupt power flow. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. Other possible factors may include a failing tail light control module or loose connectors. Repairing a blown bulb or replacing a faulty fuse usually resolves the problem. Cleaning or repairing corroded wiring and connectors can restore proper function. If a control module is involved, professional diagnosis and replacement may be necessary. Owner feedback trends show that blown bulbs and minor wiring issues are the most frequently encountered problems. Some vehicles may experience intermittent lighting issues depending on wiring condition and prior maintenance. It is important to regularly inspect lights and replace worn bulbs promptly to maintain safety. Issues can vary by vehicle generation and model year, so results may differ. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.